Hello everyone, welcome back to JP Study Corner. Today we are going to see some most important computer keyboard shortcut keys, that means Ctrl A to Z shortcut keys. Number 1, Ctrl plus A. Ctrl plus A means select all. Number 2, Ctrl plus B. Ctrl plus B means bold. Number 3, Ctrl plus C. Ctrl plus C means copy. 4, Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus V means paste. Number 5, Ctrl plus X. Ctrl plus X means cut. Number 6, Ctrl plus Z. Ctrl plus Z means undo. Number 7, Ctrl plus D. Ctrl plus D means delete the selected item or font style. Number 8, Ctrl plus N. Ctrl plus N means open new page. Number 9, Ctrl plus E. Ctrl plus E means align to the center. Number 10, Ctrl plus F. Ctrl plus F means find the text. Number 11, Ctrl plus H. Ctrl plus H means replace. Number 12, Ctrl plus I. Ctrl plus I means italic. Number 13, Ctrl plus J. Ctrl plus J means justify. Number 14, Ctrl plus K. Ctrl plus K means hyperlink or insert link. 15, Ctrl plus G. Ctrl plus G means find and replace option. Number 16, Ctrl plus M. Ctrl plus M means paragraph intent. Number 17, Ctrl plus O. Ctrl plus O means open file. Number 18, Ctrl plus P. Ctrl plus P means for print. Number 19, Ctrl plus R. Ctrl plus R means align your content to the right. Number 20, Ctrl plus U. Ctrl plus U means underline. Number 21, Ctrl plus W. Ctrl plus W means close document. Number 22, Ctrl plus L. Ctrl plus L means align text to the left. Number 23, Ctrl plus Y. Ctrl plus Y means repeat or redo. Number 24, Ctrl plus T. Ctrl plus T means hanging indent. Number 25, Ctrl plus X. Ctrl plus X means cut with. Number 26, Ctrl plus sign. Ctrl plus sign means zoom in. Number 27, Ctrl plus minus. Ctrl plus minus means zoom out. Hope this video very useful for you. If you feel the same, please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.